At a time when the Indian Army is searching for a lightweight tank for high-altitude operations, the South Korean Defense Ministry has offered to co-develop a light battle tank based on the K-21 light tank of the Korean Army. There are two K-21 light tank variants that are equipped with 105mm and 120mm gun of John Cock aerial defense, and is also equipped with 5 km range Phaleric cannon-launched anti-tank guided missile. South Korea has also assured India that it will maintain rights to export this new light tank, and this program is expected to have a shorter turnaround and will enter production in the next 3 years. While on the other hand, the DRDO and private sector firm Larsen & Toubro had proposed a light tank using the hull of the K-9 Vajra self-propelled howitzer, but the Army has still not shared preliminary staff qualitative requirements that mentions features and performance requirements. India and UK are all set to sign the Memorandum of Understanding for the co-development of a 110 kN jet engine during the visit of British Prime Minister Boris Johnson on 26 April. British engine manufacturer Rolls-Royce and DRDO have already started feasibility studies that will be concluded by the end of this year, and the final deal is expected to be signed in early 2022. India and UK are also expected to develop new joint ventures for rifles, air defense systems, missile simulation systems, and warship navigation equipment. Hindustan Aeronautics and MIDHANI Group had signed a Memorandum of Understanding for development and production of composite raw materials in February 2021, and as per latest reports, MIDHANI Group will start delivering composite raw materials for Tejas light combat aircraft, light combat helicopter, advanced light helicopter and light utility helicopters from mid-April. That will also stop the import of composite raw materials from foreign countries. Pakistan has begun talks with Turkey for purchasing the Bay-raktar TB-2 armed tactical UAVs that have already proven their mettle against Armenia and Syria last year. The TB-2 weighs only 1/8 the weight of an American MQ-9 Reaper that is all set to be cleared by India next month. The TB-2 carries 4 smart micro-munition laser-guided missiles, and is also capable of conducting intelligence surveillance and reconnaissance missions. German news agencies have reported that Germany's cabinet has decided to buy stake in defense firm HENSOLDT that supplies components for Eurofighter Typhoon, and this purchase is being made to prevent China from getting hold of high-technology equipment such as sensors and encryption technology for military use. Buying 25.1% of the shares in HENSOLDT will give the German government a blocking minority under the German law. One helicopter carrier and a Fayette-class frigate of the French Navy have arrived at the Kochi Port to take part in the Varuna Naval Exercise that will be conducted from 5th to 7th April in the Bay of Bengal with the navies of Quad countries, which will also be followed by India-France Varuna Annual Joint Naval Exercise that will also see the participation of United Arab Emirates in the last week of April. An Indian Navy mobile training team was deployed in Madagascar for capacity building and training of the Malagasy Special Forces, and the 5-member Indian training team have completed imparting 14 days special training to 50 Special Forces soldiers of Madagascar Army and Navy.